I've been living in this house for a little more than 11 years, almost half my life. But in the overview of my memories, I noticed that this house is where my life stopped. I became extremely introverted, stopped going out, stopped exploring, even became overweight. Though it may just be me blaming this house for my own flaws, but it's pretty likely that it's true. Over the years, I've shifted to several houses and I've strongly noticed the hike in productivity and general passion I experienced in the years I lived out of this house. But now being stuck in this house for, well, seemingly forever, I have lost all hope of living. I have convinced myself that there is nothing to look forward to and life just isn't worth it. My journey would have ended here, but I was one of the lucky ones. We purchased a house last year and had lent it out for passive income all this time. Now all of a sudden when I feel this urge to live and get out of this house, at the same time, as if for a divine coincidence, the tenants decide to move out as well, giving us a perfect passage to move in ourselves. So at first we cleaned the house up, not that it wasn't clean to begin with, but cleaning always gives mental peace and creates a psychological claim to the property, if that makes sense. Next up, we went over and got this dude back. Yeah, expect a video on this soon. Human beings are migratory animals. Ever since the dawn of our species, we've moved from one settlement to another. Maybe because of resource depletion or because that's just what our nature is. We can't live in one place for more than a decade without any change. This marks a start for a whole new era of my life, and hopefully it will lead towards a successful life or at least a means to one. So let me know in the comments about your moving out experience, or if you want to move out and if so, why. And I understand that it can be really difficult to move out, even impossible for some. But if it's something that's holding you back, maybe you should give it a try. If you haven't watched my old setup tour video, you have to click on the left video, or if you want to watch the Uro video again, you can click the one on the right. Subscribe if you're new to my content. Like this video if you've made it this far. Thanks for watching.